Everyone applies for IPO. I'm sure you applied it recently. If this is the case, this video is for you, and I request you to watch this video till the end. Basically, initial public offering is the process where a private company sells shares to the public for the first time, becoming a publicly traded entity on a stock exchange. Companies use IPOs to raise capital for expansion, pay off business debts, and provide an exit opportunity for early investors who ever invested previously when the company was privately held. 2026 going to be a catalyst for the IPO market in India, where various icons, big corporate houses will come up with their IPOs. India's private corporate landscape just dropped some jaw-dropping numbers. Rupees 8.9 lakh crores in revenue, 35,000 plus crore in profit, and a collective valuation of nearly 28.5 lakh crore from the firms not even listed on the stock exchange yet. Today, we deep dive into the top 5 unlisted gems of 2026, companies that could define the next decade of Indian capitalism. In our list, number 1 company is Reliance Retail, topping this list of unlisted gems 2026. India's largest unlisted company by revenue, clocking a massive 2.7 lakh crores in 2025. That's more than many listed giants, with leadership in grocery, fashion, consumer electronics, retail, and many more. Company achieved highest EBITDA among unlisted firms, and it's a part of Reliance Group, the elite, one of India's most diversified conglomerates. Let's see number 2. In number 2, we have Flipkart Internet Private Limited, India's homegrown e-commerce titan, pulling in 83,000 crores in revenue, competing head-on with global rivals like Amazons of the world, right? So it's competing with Amazon in India. Flipkart's scale, logistics strength, and digital ecosystem make it one of the most anticipated future IPO stories in Indian retail technology. Flipkart is a Bangalore-based company and the major stake owned by Walmart, the global retail giant. Number 3, Malabar Gold and Jewellery, Diamonds. The jewellery powerhouse with a 66,000 plus crore in revenue, a household name across India and even in Middle East. Malabar blends traditional retail strength with global expansion, all without being listed yet. Malabar is based in Mumbai and represents India's largest privately held jewellery retail chain. In number 4, we have Tata Electronics. Here is one with explosive growth, soaring with a 3,173% compounded annual growth rate over 3 years. From semiconductors to electronics manufacturing system, this company showcases India's ambition in advanced technology and hardware. And the company is backed by the Tata Groups. Last but not the least, number 5, rounding out our list, Tata Passenger Electric Mobility, one of the fastest growing EV firms in India, posting 904% 3-year revenue growth. With India's EV revolution accelerating, this company is uniquely positioned to be a future IPO darling in the market, in the technology and mobility section. The company is part of Tata Group's broader EV and green tech portfolio, positioned in one of India's hottest future industries, the sunrise industries, which is electric mobility. Well, these were the 5 top companies which are about to come up with IPOs and investors should look out for. But a quick shout out to Adani Properties and Zerodha Broking, which post strong profit figures and business models, but just narrowly missed our top 5 spot this time due to the revenue, differences here and there. Still, these could be future IPO heavyweights that investor should watch out for. Whether one should invest in IPO or not, we'll discuss in some other videos. This is not part of this video. But in my view, IPOs, especially these days, particularly the technology heavy IPOs, are overvalued in many cases, but not all the cases, but in the majority of the IPOs that we have seen so far in last 1 year or so. Especially when market sentiment is weak and bearish, like this one in February and March 2026, we have seen a bearish market due to the various geopolitical issues and wars around the globe. There are chances IPOs will be valued fairly. However, each script to be researched individually before investing, and one must consult their financial advisor before they decide on investing their money. So there you have it, 5 unlisted companies that could shake India's market and someday light up stock exchanges. The question is, which one do you think will go public first? Please comment below. And for similar videos on related topics, go to the description of this video and click on the links respective to the video titles. Thank you for watching.